Join SAS and TPM in the fight to make education accessible for all. Upon reading the byline, you may confuse me with ESPN's Stephen A. Smith. But I am not him. I'm Stephen A. Smith, an educator and lifelong advocate for educational equity. Over the years, I've witnessed firsthand the deep educational inequities that persist in our public school system. But today, I'm here to offer a solution, one that can make a real difference for families and students in your community. For decades, I've seen these injustices up close, and the research is clear. A substantial body of research has found that Black and brown children impacted by economic inequity are among the least likely to be taught by highly qualified teachers, limiting access to rigorous instruction and long-term opportunity. Research also shows that students from marginalized communities often experience racial microaggressions in schools, such as heightened scrutiny or criticism from teachers and administrators. In addition, studies indicate that students impacted by economic inequity and those from minority backgrounds are less likely to be identified as gifted and talented, while being more likely to be referred for special education services by teachers, often based on subjective perceptions rather than instructional need. I'm reminded of an article from the United Negro College Fund, which highlights additional disparities that reinforce these patterns. The research shows that students from marginalized communities are often concentrated in schools with fewer resources. In fact, schools serving predominantly Black and brown students spend approximately $733 less per student each year than schools serving higher-income communities. That same research also reveals that Black and brown students are less likely than their white peers to have access to college-ready courses, limiting post-secondary opportunities long before graduation. Today, I'm committed to making a positive, lasting difference for students and communities that continue to be impacted by systemic and educational inequities in our country. In response to these challenges, I partnered with Teach Practice Master, an innovative educational platform designed to help close the gap between under-resourced schools and those with greater access. Teach Practice Master offers affordable, high-quality tutorials, practice exams, and instructional materials for students of all ages. I also founded Scholastic Advancement Systems, which works hand-in-hand with Teach Practice Master to ensure students, especially those from underserved and marginalized communities, have access to the tools they need to thrive academically. For less than $25 a week, families can provide up to 4 pre-K through 12th grade students in the same household access to a powerful, comprehensive tutorial program. This initiative makes high-quality education accessible, regardless of zip code or income level. Growing up, my mother sacrificed $15 a week to buy encyclopedias for me and my siblings because she believed knowledge was the pathway to opportunity. Today, families can access far more for less. My mother did her part to fight educational inequity. Now I'm doing mine. These types of statistics, combined with empirical evidence from my own upbringing, greatly influenced my decision to step away from a more than 3-decade career as an educator and begin advocating for equity across K-12 education. Teach Practice Master is already helping students across the country, bridging the gap between under-resourced schools and well-resourced districts. Now it's time for your school to help families discover this opportunity. I'm asking you to share this message with your school community and partner with us to give every student a fighting chance at a brighter future. Together, we can make a difference. Thank you for your time. For next steps, scan the QR code or contact Stephen A. Smith at 770-369-5929. I look forward to working together.